Tea tree essential oil has a wide range of potential uses for skin, hair, and body remedies due to its antiseptic and antimicrobial properties. However, it's important to use it properly and dilute it appropriately, as undiluted essential oils can be harsh on the skin. Here are some ways to use tea tree essential oil in different remedies. Acne treatment. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil, such as jojoba, coconut, or almond oil, and apply it to the affected areas of the skin. You can also add a few drops to your regular moisturizer or toner. Hair and scalp care. Add a few drops of tea tree oil to your regular shampoo to help with dandruff and scalp issues. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil and massage it onto your scalp before shampooing for added moisture. Skin soothing. Mix a drop or two of tea tree oil with aloe vera gel to soothe minor skin irritations like insect bites or small cuts. Foot care. Add a few drops of tea tree oil to a foot bath to help combat foot odor and fungal infections. Skin cleanser. Dilute tea tree oil with water or a gentle, unscented cleanser to create a natural skin cleanser. DIY facial steam. Add a few drops of tea tree oil to a bowl of hot water, cover your head with a towel, and steam your face. This can help open pores and cleanse the skin. Nail care. Apply diluted tea tree oil around and under the nails to support healthy nail growth and address fungal issues. Body spray. Mix tea tree oil with water in a spray bottle and use it as a refreshing body spray. Remember these important guidelines when using tea tree essential oil. Always dilute. Essential oils are highly concentrated, so dilute tea tree oil with a carrier oil before applying to the skin. A common dilution ratio is 1 to 2 drops of essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. Patch test. Before using tea tree oil on a larger area, do a patch test on a small area of skin to check for any adverse reactions. Avoid sensitive areas. Keep tea tree oil away from sensitive areas like the eyes, inner ears, and mucous membranes. Consult a professional. If you have any underlying skin conditions or concerns, consult a healthcare professional or dermatologist before using essential oils. It's important to note that while tea tree oil has many potential benefits, individual reactions can vary, so it's always a good idea to start with a small amount and observe how your skin responds. If you experience any irritation or discomfort, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional.